Hi there, today we are going to learn how to draw a nose in just a 2 minutes. Grab your pencil and let's get started. First, start with basic shapes like I am doing. This will serve as the base of a nose and the nostrils area. Next, lightly sketch two small circles or ovals at the bottom of the shape. These are the nostrils. Make sure they are aligned and not too far apart. Don't worry about the exact details for now. Draw the nose the way I am doing. You will be able to draw it. Give some more details. Now start shading from light to dark to give it more depth. Lastly, shade the insides of the nose to show the contour. Add some light shading along the bridge and under the nose for a natural look. And there you go. You have drawn a basic nose. Keep practicing and you